I'm sorry. I thought you were a bird.
I am. I'm a tough bird.
You'll have to excuse me. Will you do me a little favor?
What's on your mind?
I want you to decoy that bird into my cage.
Why, she wouldn't give me a nibble. She's a metal-eating bird.
I'll fix that all right.
Snakes, what's the big idea? Let's go.
That's all right. I'll make you look like a metal worm. Now, go get her.
Yoo-hoo.
Hello, who called? Yes, where are you?
Yoo-hoo. Hello, baby. You want to take a little walk?
My, how shiny you are.
Yep. I'm a metal worm.
Oh, metal. Oh. Whoa.
Miss something?
Oh, yes, but I won't miss this time. Oh, laugh, will you?
All around the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. All around the mulberry bush. You can't find me. You can't find me. You can't find me. Belly up. Look, I'm a flagpole sitter.
Now I've got you.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Oh, yes, I have.
Say,
Now I have got you. Now I have got. Oh, let go my wing. Let go my wing.
You want to play rough, eh? Let's go. You can't take it. Peekaboo. Want to take a walk?
I'll walk you. I'll walk. Stop tickling. There. How do you like that?
Great. I like it. Hey, mister, get your cage ready. I'll push her in. Well, anytime you want a lion, a tiger, or an elephant, just let me know.
Thanks.
Well, I'll be rolling along.
Oh.
Can you lay eggs?
Me? Sure. And I can hatch 'em, too. I can hatch 'em. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I've got a great idea. We'll start a flivver factory and hatch 5 million cars a year. Hey, what's the joke?
We metal birds lay only 1 egg every 100 years.
A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go, a hunting we will go.